What is important, what I'm going to show you now, is the curse that was placed on Jamaica after Michael Manley mimicked, exploited African spirituality to gain political power, and the people went with it. If you read Bible, it's not a youth will look on the Bible literally like how some people look on it literally, right? In a literal way, excuse me. But me look at it as a document where makes sense of what's happening. You understand what I say? Because writers over the years, they write about society, and most of the people are sociologists and people study people and them thing there. You know, anthropologists and them people. So me look at past behavior and present behavior. You understand? Past behavior, present behavior. To understand present behavior, you have to address or look at past behavior. So past behavior, yeah, the people were taking advantage of, and of course, Michael Manley them exploited it.